most of the world's population lives in the north, and Bangkok has a full name that's 163 letters long. And here's a surprise. While the Middle East is known for its vast deserts, it actually imports sand from other countries. Fascinating, right? So, in this video, we're diving into fascinating geography facts. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of geography together. Number 1. You might think of Alaska as the westernmost state in the US, especially when looking at a map, but did you know it's also the easternmost state? How is that possible? Alaska's Aleutian Islands stretch so far west that they cross into the eastern hemisphere. This makes Semisopochnoi Island part of the Aleutian chain, the easternmost point in all of North America. Number 2. In the Philippines, there's a fascinating natural wonder called Vulcan Point. It's an island located within Main Crater Lake. Main Crater Lake sits on Volcano Island. Volcano Island is surrounded by Lake Taal, and Lake Taal is on the island of Luzon. So it's a lake within an island on a lake within another island. Truly a geographical marvel. Number 3. Mount Everest may be the tallest mountain above sea level, but the title of the tallest mountain on Earth actually belongs to Mauna Kea. Mauna Kea rises 13,796 feet above sea level. But that's just part of its true height. If you measure from its base on the Pacific Ocean floor, it reaches an incredible 32,808 feet, over 3,000 feet taller than Everest. Number 4. Iceland is being pulled apart by the North American and European tectonic plates, and the island is stretching wider every year. These plates are drifting so dramatically that Iceland grows by nearly 5 centimeters annually, making it a living, expanding wonder. Number 5. As North and South America drift westward, the Pacific Ocean is steadily shrinking. Each year, Asia and North America inch closer together, causing the Pacific to shrink by 2 to 3 centimeters. A slow but unstoppable shift. Number 6. Russia spans an incredible 11 time zones out of the 24 in the world. This means that while someone in one part of Russia is waking up at 7 a.m., someone on the other side might already be enjoying their evening dinner. Number 7. It might seem obvious that California is west of Nevada, but take a closer look at the map. Los Angeles is actually 86 miles east of Reno. Even more surprising, Nevada is nearly 300 miles from the Pacific Ocean, making this geographic twist even harder to believe. Number 8. Mexico City, originally built on a lake in 1325 AD, is sinking at an alarming rate of about 3.2 feet per year. The Aztecs created an artificial island by filling in Lago de Texcoco, and in 1521, the Spaniards built their city on the ruins. Today, heavy reliance on water from the aquifer beneath the city has caused it to sink a staggering 32 feet over the past 60 years. Number 9. The Philippines isn't just an archipelago. It's a sprawling wonder of 7,641 islands. That's hundreds more than the 7,107 islands scientists once thought existed. With each new discovery, the country's breathtaking island count just keeps growing. Number 10. Sure, New York and Los Angeles have far more people than any town in Alaska, but when it comes to land size, Alaska boasts some of the largest cities in the United States. Take Sitka, for example. With just over 10,000 residents, it covers a massive 2,800 square miles. Compare that to New York City, which is only 302 square miles. Number 11. The Northern Hemisphere is home to a staggering 90% of the Earth's population. Out of nearly 8 billion people on the planet, about 6.57 billion live north of the equator. This includes the vast populations of North America, Europe, most of Africa and Asia, and even parts of South America. Number 12. The city with the longest name in the world is Krungthep Mahanakhon, Amon Ratanakosin, Mahinthara Yuthaya, Mahadilok Hop Noparat, Ratchathani Burirom, Udum Ratchaniwet, Mahasathan, Amon Piman, Awatan Sathit Sakatatia, Witsanukam Prasit. Rather than using this 21-word mouthful, the city is more commonly known by its nickname, Bangkok. This impressive full name holds the record for the longest place name on Earth. And honestly, it's hard to imagine anything longer. Number 13. In Scandinavian, the word for river is simply Å. Both Norway and Sweden have villages with this minimalist name. Sweden takes it a step further with a village named Ö, which means island. Short and sweet, these names are as unique as they are concise. Number 14. The UK's full name, United Kingdom of Great Britain, and Northern Ireland, holds the record for the most characters in an official country name.